Did you know that as of last year, retail e-commerce sales worldwide amounted to 4.9 trillion US dollars, and e-retail revenues are projected to grow to 6.3 trillion US dollars over the next 2 years. There's a huge market out there, and starting your own online boutique could be a way to tap into it. But where do you start? Well, that's what we are here for. Before we figure that out, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Our organization has helped thousands of entrepreneurs turn their dream businesses into a reality. Let's guide you through the process of starting your own online boutique. First, you need a business plan. It's the foundation of your venture. It should outline your target market, marketing and sales strategy, and financial projections. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming. We've seen it all and can provide guidance. Next, source your products. Are you going to make them? Buy wholesale or dropship? You should decide this early on. Then, choose a business name and create a logo. This is your brand, the thing that will set you apart in the crowded online marketplace. At this point, it's time to handle the legalities. But you're not in this alone. All you'll need to do is go to legalregistration.com. We can take care of all your business licensing and registration steps. Our experts will make it simple, fast, and efficient. Next up is creating your online store. Pick a platform that fits your needs and start building. Remember, your website is your storefront. Make sure it's appealing and user-friendly. Now it's time for marketing and SEO. If people can't find your online boutique, they can't buy from it. We can guide you through this as well, offering expert advice and resources. Finally, manage your finances. Keep track of your revenue, expenses, and taxes. It may seem daunting, but we are here to make it less complicated. Starting an online boutique can be a challenge, but with proper planning and support, it can become an exciting and profitable venture. If you want to learn more about how to start a successful boutique, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting an online boutique? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.